Have you ever wondered why your phone, laptop, or other gadgets seem to slow down or break just a few years after you buy them? What if some products are not designed to last forever, but are intentionally created with a limited lifespan? This idea is called planned obsolescence, and it has shaped the technology industry for decades. Planned obsolescence is the practice of designing products with a certain useful life so that consumers eventually need to replace them. While companies often argue that faster innovation, new features, and changing technology naturally lead to upgrades, critics say some products are made less durable than they could be. The concept is not new. One of the earliest famous examples came from the light bulb industry. In the early 1900s, a group of manufacturers created an agreement that limited the lifespan of light bulbs. The goal was to encourage more frequent purchases. This became one of the first widely discussed examples of products being influenced by planned replacement cycles. In modern technology, planned obsolescence can happen in several ways. One method is physical design. Many modern devices use tightly integrated parts, making repairs difficult or expensive. A damaged battery, screen, or component may require replacing the entire device instead of fixing one small part. Another method is software. As operating systems and applications become more advanced, older devices may struggle to run them smoothly. Sometimes updates improve security and performance, but they can also make older hardware feel outdated. There is also psychological obsolescence. Even when a device still works perfectly, new designs, marketing, and social trends can make people feel like they need the latest version. A slightly better camera, faster processor, or different design can create demand for frequent upgrades. But not all short product lifespans are intentional. Technology changes incredibly quickly. A device built 5 years ago may genuinely become outdated because modern software, security requirements, and user expectations have evolved. However, the impact of replacing electronics so frequently is significant. Millions of tons of electronic waste are produced every year, creating environmental challenges. Old devices contain valuable materials like metals and rare elements that are difficult to recover. This has led to a growing movement focused on repairability and longer-lasting technology. Some consumers want products with replaceable batteries, accessible components, and longer software support. Governments and organizations around the world are also discussing rules that encourage manufacturers to make devices easier to repair. The future of technology may not be about creating devices that simply become obsolete faster. Instead, it could focus on creating smarter products that last longer, can be upgraded, and reduce waste. So, is most technology built to fail? The answer is complicated. Some products may be influenced by business strategies that encourage replacement, while others become outdated because innovation moves so quickly. The next time your device starts feeling old, remember, behind every upgrade is a combination of engineering, economics, consumer behavior, and the constant race for the next big invention.